I was thinking about naming it Chewy, like for Chewbacca.
Pull it again.
So that's our next dog's name.
Okay. Well, they don't live together. Okay, make him pull it some more so I get it on video.
He said to name the dog Regret. See?
He's so cute. Well, you found his new toy, Mima. You just gotta keep these toys away from your other dogs.
Yeah. She needs to go look at the puppy, and the lady said you could take it because they already gave the other dog away.
Yeah. It's okay. I think he has to go to the bathroom because it's starting to stink again.
Make him pull it, Ryan. Make him pull it.
Well, I love you.
He's too cute.
Right.
I'm not gonna do it because he's too cute.
Yeah, I did.
He's an active dog by doing that.
I had to get a size 8. Never wear that big.
Yeah.
But yeah, well, that's what I was thinking because I have like probably 3 pairs that don't fit me. They're too small, but I wear them anyway.